Hello, so today I'm going to be unboxing the GoCube. And as it said on Kickstarter, it is a smart, innovative cube. So let's open it up and see how it looks. So, standard package opening. Cut here, a cut here, and a big fat cut down the middle. Yeah, gotta make sure to get that little tight spot. And then let's fold up the knife. Because knife safety 101. Let's open it up. Let's see. A serial number stamped on it. Okay. And let's see. So right off the bat, we can see two packages. It says Particula on it. And it has a picture of the GoCube logo with a picture of GoCube. And then there's also some text about Meet GoCube, the iconic puzzle toy of Rubik's Cube. On the bottom, there is some trademark stuff that's sort of irrelevant. Also, there's another box. And what's this? A bag that says GoCube on it. We'll check that out later. Some packaging info. Nice, let's throw that over to the side. And a packing slip for GoCube. Let's throw that over to the side too. This box I just put down. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's open up one of these things. Okay. So let's see, how do I open this? Got it. If I can just get this. Yes, there we go, and I think we just cut this and we're good to go. Ah, it cracked. It's like an egg. Boom! We have, it says, thank you. Together we've made GoCube a reality. Limited edition number 5102. First production batch, and it has a little signature on it. Let's see. Here it is. Your whole new cubing experience. Play, learn, improve, and even compete. The GoCube. Okay. So it looks like a pretty standard Rubik's Cube. This is a nice box though. It's like a cube. But it's a pretty standard Rubik's Cube type thing. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh. Okay, and oh wow, it's really smooth. It's got all those standard colors. It has like a nice go on the front of it. On the bottom, there seems to be like a charging dock thing on the yellow side in the center. So you can like mix this up, make nice patterns. But I'll move all this to the side. This knife over here. We'll just leave this to show. And I'll be back. Okay, got the GoCube app open. And it says I need to pair a GoCube. I need a charger. There should be a charger in the box. Let me check the box again. Might have missed a tab. Oh, it does seem like this is pull apart. Goodies inside. Ah, a charging cable. Just what I needed. And there seems to be a manual under here. Wait. It says there's more, and it looks like I need to get the knife again. Knife. Let's cut that off. Carefully. Don't want to damage. Okay. And let's see what's inside. So, manual. Oops. Okay, there it is. There's a nice picture of a GoCube. fold this back up. Okay, so let's see. It says quick start guide. Let's guide and what's inside. So also there's like a product information guide. That seems to be like a warranty stuff. Yeah, safety stuff. But let's look at the manual. So, what's included? A GoCube, a stand, and a charger. I believe that's in the other box. Also, it says what you need is a USB source, the internet, and a device. To power it up, we can either use the cable or the stand. Yeah, it looks like the stand goes into the charger. And we download the app, and then we can connect and enjoy playing with it. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, okay. Let's put this aside. And this is the cable. Seems to go right into the slot. You can just pull it out and it goes in. That's cool. Okay, let's see if there's any connection. I don't know how to find the number. This might be back in the box. So it's 5,102. Ah, there it is. GC33E. Oh, there's like a label under here too. Yeah, okay. It says the same thing. Oh, it's not charged. Well, I'll charge it and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back and I got a USB source. So now we can charge our GoCube. Let's plug that in. And it said we just simply slap it in. Wow, it's lighting up. That looks cool. So it should be charging right now. Yeah, it just keeps on glowing. So, let's see what's inside of this sack. We didn't look at it yet. It's a nice foam. It says GoCube on it. And inside is a stand. And an extra charger. Cool. And there's not much else inside of the bag. Okay, so let's open this. Look. Yep, this is the stand. And let's see, it should go into there. How does this work? Like this. Aha. Like this. And we'll just use this one from before. I'll just take it off the GoCube. Oh, I should probably rearrange it. Okay, so that's the GoCube, right? It goes like this in the back of it. So let's see, it said you should hook it up. And then you just slide it on. And then you can slap on the GoCube. Yeah, it charges great, okay. So now I know it works. And I'm gonna try and connect it. Okay, so let's rescan. And it's taking a while. Okay, our number is not on there for some reason. Try rescanning again. Takes a while. See, our number should be GC33E, but it's not showing up. Oh, okay. So it seems that I believe these two GoCubes are actually the two GoCubes here, and they're already pre-charged. So let's just pick one. And I gotta make a account. Okay, so I just logged in, and so I'm gonna show the basic course of the thing in the Academy section, and it's literally called Basics. So it says to take the cube and hold it so that the green side is facing, yeah. And I'll move this out of the way so that it's easier to see. Let's just take all this on the side. Okay, let's see. So it says hold it like that. I just put it on the table. Make sure the device sound is on. Yep, all the way. And let's get to know the cube. So the center pieces never move no matter how much you shuffle the cube. And so I guess the highlighted ones are the center pieces. That'd be like the ones in the middle. So it tells me to shuffle the cube 5 times. Ooh, nice sound effects. Okay. Now, what is the color of the highlighted piece? It's green. Okay. What is the color of the side opposite of the yellow face? So yellow face is this side with the charger, and the one opposite would be white. Okay. Next are the edge pieces. So it's like these two pieces. They have 2 colors. Okay. How many edges are on a cube? 12. Which colors go right there? Orange and yellow. Because they're between orange and the yellow, this piece. And then the third type of piece is a corner. Ah, I see it right here. Okay. And it says, how many corners are there? There are 8 vertices in a cube. That's a fancy word for corner. And what color is the highlighted piece? So let's see, it's next to red, green, and white. So it has to be red, green, and white. Okay? Awesome. So let's get a quick recap. Center pieces only have 1 color, edges have 2 colors, and corner pieces have 3 colors. Got it. Oh, and it just unlocked the next level. Cool. But what the real good thing about this is not that, but it's really the solver program on the cube. So if we just mush this up as much as we want, okay? Like, just get it all randomized, whatever it is. I have no idea how to solve a cube. So we want it like that. And we're gonna press continue. And it says the first step is going like that. Second step going like that twice. Going like that twice. Going like that. Going like that. Going like this. No, the other way. No, going like this. Okay? Going like this. Doing this doing this twice. Doing this. Doing this. Doing this twice. Sorry, this, no, okay, wrong way. This twice. What is that? Oh, this twice. And doing this twice. This twice. And it's done. No, I will not rate you. But oh, we solved the cube. Yay! And that's the real benefit of having a GoCube. It'll tell you how to solve your cube when you need to solve your cube. And yes, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.